Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sort of challenging myself a little bit, if I'm being honest, because it's something I've not done in a while. I am doing a bit of nature photography. I'm just out on a little walk, brought my camera out. I just thought, you know what, I fancy a walk, so brought all my gear. I'm just gonna film a little video, a little POV video sort of thing. Weather's not too great, so I can't get my drone out or anything, but I'm just going to have a little walk down here and see what sort of stuff we can find, see if there's anything new, or if I can improve any on like my old videos, not videos, pictures, sorry. And if I can, then great. But hopefully we find something different, something new. It's getting towards like autumn time, so hopefully soon I'll be back down here taking pictures of all like the nice oranges and stuff. But until then, we're just gonna see what there is really. Gonna head a little bit further down this path that I'm walking along. It should take us to a nice little nature reserve. So I'll put you on the trusty old chest mount and see what there is, I guess. Let's go. Right, so you're on. Camera's on. Make sure all the settings are right. Yep. 3.5. Oh, I've not shot like nature stuff in ages. Might take me a little while to warm up, but I reckon after a while. Let me get my focus point right. Why is this not working? If I'm being honest, I don't even know if you can see anything. Let's stand up and lower it. I think I might have stood in some poo, you know, because it stinks round here. No, I'm good. But I'm hoping that I can find something kind of nice to take pictures of. I'm not too optimistic at the minute because I remember coming down here quite a lot and just spamming everything I can in terms of pictures. So today I'm kind of just going to walk around and take my time, see what sort of stuff we can get. But at the minute there's not too much, so what I'll do is I'll catch back up here when there's actually something. So I've come across this, see if I can do something here. Oh, damn. Zoom it out, point it up a little bit. It's alright. I think I'm gonna struggle today. See what we can find down here. I reckon we can get something here. Just that's not too bad, but it's not sort of what I'm looking for. My brain just isn't braining. I swear I'm actually just going to walk until I get something decent. Because it's very demotivating going out, trying to take pictures and then just not getting anything. Because your brain just can't do it. In fact, I always go that way. I'm going to go this way. Let's see what's this way. Because I've not been down this way in a long time. If any of you watched it, any of the 4 people that watched it, that's where I did my pumpkin smoke bomb stuff. I mean, it's alright. That's alright actually. Let's try a landscape one. See if we can bring it down a little bit lower. You know what? It's not too bad. We'll put that down a second. Second, I want to. These photos aren't doing it for me, you know. I might actually have to just go into my town and take pictures because I can't do nature photography anymore for some reason. It is just not working out how I want it to be. Because I've not done it in that long that it's just not coming to me like any of the pictures just aren't sort of standing out. There's nothing that's sticking out in my brain to go, oh yeah, well, I'll take a picture of that. But I guess that's why you gotta do a little bit of everything every now and then. Just to keep your mind refreshed and on it at all times, I guess. But I think it's simply just because I was doing it that much, I got bored of it and I just wasn't motivated to do it anymore. Now that I am, I can't blooming do anything. This looks properly sketchy, this. I cannot lie. I don't know where I'm going. Let's get a quick picture here. Because it's all sort of like the same stuff, it's just leading lines, all of them. It's sort of just not standing out. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this, I can't lie. Although I can hear a main road, so. Can't be too far out of the way, can we? Do you know what? I'm gonna try something. Go like here. I can't lie, I kind of like that. The sky is looking a little bit pink, so what I might do is just a little bit of get pictures of the sky if it turns a little bit more pink. I feel like it might do if all them dark clouds move. But I don't think they will, because there's a lot of them. Yeah, I think we're done now. There's nothing much to take pictures of. So it's starting to get a little bit dark now, so I think I'm just going to head back and go through and try and talk to you about how I'd go about editing the pictures that I've got today. Give you some tips and tricks, some shortcuts and all that sort of stuff. And just go through how I personally use Lightroom and how I like to edit all my pictures. Well, nature sort of style pictures anyway. So I'm going to head off home now. Gonna load these pictures up and then I'll go through how I edit them.